We just got home from Riga, and right here, this is exactly where we park our car. That tree came down, and we would not have a car right now if we weren't lucky enough to have driven to Riga during the only day we should not have been driving. We wouldn't have a car. One of our Christmas trees is down. Snapped right up there. The wind is still blowing pretty heavy. Lydia, get away from those trees. The wind's still blowing. We don't know. Move away from the trees, Lydia. Yeah. I'm not afraid. I'm just concerned. Move away from the trees. Let's see if our summer home is still up. Amazingly, it did not get blown away. Good.